Who's your chiro?
All right, I am here today with Mr. Shahu. How are you, sir?
How are you?
Nice to see you, my Persian brother, right, man? This guy, now, Shahu, you came all the way out from Calgary.
That's right.
Isn't that right?
That's right.
And you're a painter, isn't that right?
I am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And what brought you all the way out to beautiful, sunny Los Angeles?
Well, I got, I've been dealing with lordosis and scoliosis, and even in Canada, I went to the Chiro and like a 10 treatments and with no results. I found you and I'm one of your followers.
Oh, thank you,
I've
brother.
seen
Thank you, man.
on your YouTube page, and I believe you could help me out. And
God
I could
bless.
tell in the even first treatment, I could see lots of movement in my body.
Wow. It's encouraging, isn't it?
It is.
It's hard when you're hurting, and then also you feel like other people maybe don't get it or don't understand, or you're not able to get the help.
That's right.
Yeah, I've been there, I know.
I've been dealing with lots of pain, especially in my lower back, and I could tell lots of movement in my body right now, lots of changes.
It's a beautiful thing, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, now, Shahu's been here, you know, he's just here for a short time, about a week, and we've been seeing him twice a day, and he's been coming in, you know, religiously, banging out his exercises, right?
That's
He's
right.
doing everything I ask of him, which is like, look, you know, I'm not here to tell anybody what to do. I'm here to show people, right? I want to grab you by the hand and say, hey, look, here's the way we go, right?
Yeah.
And so he's been doing exercises. I'm so proud of you, brother.
Thanks.
You're welcome, man. You're very welcome. It's an honor to see you and take care of you. How's your lower back been doing since you started?
Well, much better than like 3 days. We've been doing this
Yeah.
one for
Yeah.
like 3 days ago.
Yeah.
I could tell lots of changes, lots
Yeah.
of movement.
What's something that you feel differently? Are you sleeping better? Are you walking better? Are you moving better?
Well, I've been every single day woke up with the pain, lower back pain, but after these treatments,
Yeah.
I'm really much better than before,
Wow.
without pain. The
Okay.
good thing is, yeah, when I was driving or sat in somewhere for a long time,
Yeah.
I had lots of pain in my lower back.
Yeah.
And, right now, I don't have that
Come
kind
on.
of pain.
Isn't that beautiful?
It is.
Yeah, I think that all of us, we forget sometimes how wonderful it is to be free from pain.
That's right.
Because it messes here, man. It does. So, well, let's get busy. Let's keep going. Lay on your back, sir. We've been doing, you know, everything here, as well as the traction. I think you have 2 setups, right?
That's right.
So we're working. Slide up a little bit this way, sir. And legs relaxed. I pull this way. You resist. Go ahead. Pull, pull, pull. Solid. That's holding strong. Pull to the left, Shahu. Pull, pull, pull. That one's holding as well. This one stays straight, like so. Really straight. Push up here. Okay, push up again. Okay, almost, sir. Almost. You won the prize. Okay, we're gonna breathe. And out. Yeah. So Shahu said, I need to get me some healing. Get that body right. Yes, sir. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Is your tummy full or no?
Yeah.
Tummy full of food, yes?
No.
No, not full.
no.
Okay, so breathe in. Hold your breath, hold it. Breathe and relax. Let it down here, right there, right there. Relax your foot. I got you, I got you. Let go here. Wow, big motion, sir. Abs tight, come on up. Look at that core strength. Lay face down, sir. On your tummy. Yes. Hips relaxed. Gonna dig in a little bit to the glutes. Come on. Yes. There we go. Breathe. And out. There we go. Good job, sir. There we go. Now, we're going to do a hamstring curl. Push back this way. Push here. And then this way here. Push back. And then push in. Good. And then here, pull in. Excellent, sir. Hips relaxed. There we go. And we're going to breathe in. All the way out. Shoulders loose, sir. Excellent, Shahu. Breathe in. And out. Beautiful, sir. Breathe. And out. A little tight there. We'll circle back to that one. Now, Shahu, lay on your back again, sir. There we go. Legs relaxed. Hands to the side. You pull that way. I pull. Pull, pull, pull. Excellent, sir. This one here. Straighten it out. Push up. Excellent. Bring it in. Turn your foot out. Push up. You're just getting the works today. Okay, let it go. Now we're going to dig in here a little bit. So really go to that place in your mind that you got to think about self-care. Here we go. Breathe. Isn't that amazing? Shahu, this is everyone's favorite. Breathe. It's almost over. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Go. Hang in there. Isn't that crazy? It's intense, right?
Yeah.
That is a compensation. It's over tightened because of the lower back. We're trying to undo everything. You know, like those old telephones that get tangled and you hold it and it unwinds? It's kind of like that, right? So now breathe in again. Breathe. Hold your breath. Hold it. No help, no resistance. There we go. Now just breathe and relax. Let it go. Foot relaxed. Yep. Everything loose. Hold it right there. There we go. Okay. This one here, straighten your leg. Push up, push, push, push. Bring it in, push up. You don't want to lose that one, do you? Okay, straighten that out. Push up, push, push, push. And out here, push. Excellent, sir. Now, let's breathe in nice and deep, sir. And out. Head relaxed. Big breath in. And out. Loosen there. Wow. Breathe again, Shahu. And out. Drop there. Amazing, sir. Tighten your abs. You're going to come up this way and lay on your side here on the right side. This way here, this way. Yeah. You're going to bend this one, actually. Yeah, perfect, sir. Hips relax, Shahu. We're going to breathe in deep. I'm going to bring you closer and breathe out. Tummy relaxed. Breathe in again. And out. Right there. Wow, such big movement today. This one over here, sir. Hands relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Right there, sir. Breath in and out. Shoulders loose. Shoulders loose. There we go. Wow. It's a lot of motion, sir.
Yeah.
You all right?
That's right.
Tighten your abs. Stand up over here, sir. This way over here. And you're going to face that way. Shoulders loose. Head down. Hands up here. Squeeze down. Chest up. And fall back. Wow. Turn around. Hands open. Hug.
Thanks, sir.
That's the most important one. All
Yeah,
right?
that's
Let's
right.
get you on traction. Good work. And then we'll see you this afternoon.
Thanks for your
Yes, sir.
good
Hey,
job.
you're doing great.